Hi class, so after you watch the hibernation more in-depth video, you need to go to this Quizlet titled Hibernation Assessment Study Set. And in this study set, you will see the questions and the answers to the hibernation assessment Google form that you'll complete after you go through this Quizlet. So going through this Quizlet, you're just going to want to click through and go through all the answers and really learn the answers of this study test set. You can go to test, or spell, or write, whatever helps you learn these answers. And then after you go through all of the answers and learn them, you'll go to the hibernation assessment, which will be on our classroom website, and go through and answer all the questions and make sure you press submit. So some of these get a little tricky. These with just circles are just multiple choice like you're used to, and select all that apply. You're going to select one or more answers. Okay, don't leave this one blank just because it says select all that apply, and you might draw a blank and you might not know the answer. So this one is a short answer question. Just make sure you type it out. Use your capitals if you need to. This one is true or false. So it says few edible plants grow in the winter. Then you're going to decide if that statement is true or if that statement is not true. So if that is a silly thing, that's not really accurate. And then you're going to go to the final question, click whatever one you want, and then hit submit. That way I get all your lovely answers and all your hard work does not go to waste. After you submit all of this, please send me an email so I know that you finished all of it up and I can get your grades in the grade book. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.